How to fix black screen when receiving notifications in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update all your drivers. As mentioned above, drivers are among the most common reasons for the black screen issues with notifications. Thus, you should make sure that they are up to date. Restart your computer after updating all relevant drivers. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Check display settings. Incorrect display settings, such as refresh rates or HDR, can cause display interruptions when notifications appear, especially on high-performance GPUs. If HDR is enabled, toggle it off under Windows HD color settings. Restart your computer and test with a notification. Corrupted system files can disrupt how Windows handles notifications, potentially causing display issues. SFC and DISM tools can repair these files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Adjust notification settings. Misconfigured notification settings might cause conflicts with the display system, leading to black screens. Turning off or adjusting notifications can help. Alternatively, click an app and turn off show notification banners. Test by sending a notification from another app to see if the issue persists. If that didn't work, if one of the recent updates has caused the issue, uninstalling it is an option. However, if it was a major update such as 24H2.